Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video, so there is new activity Mam Adora has been uploaded. Okay, as he said that any army must create his own coin list so that anyone can see his performance. So for you to create a coin list, you just open the app and there is a banner of activity like this. Click on a banner. Okay, the activity is the best coin list voting activity. Okay, as soon as your coin list is the best and you have a people that's being added at his pub, right? So by the end of the activity, by the end of this countdown, you will have chance to win the actual bonus of $1,000, 500 and 300. Okay, anything in a world there is a rules. So the rest of this activity is, let us see. So the rest of the activity, the event time was 2023 June 30 to 2024 July 1st. So activity is almost 1 year. Okay, the rules is the users select the coins for the contest from the created coin list, share a link or picture and invite others to favorite it. The top three with the highest numbers of correction during the event period will be rewarded. First place will be rewarded with 100 USDT per factual bonus, while the second place 500 USDT per factual bonus, while the third place 300 USDT per factual bonus. So only public coin lists that pass the audit are eligible for entry. Okay, what does it mean? Only a public coin list that pass QIs that pass per verification will be eligible for the entry. That does mean as soon as you create your own coin list and it's passed for KYC, so it is passed for verification, so you're able to join this activity. Okay, and there's rules and requirement. So failure to do this, failure to do so, so you're not able to participate. So you must complete your KYC and you must trade light contract and you must trade perpetual contract and deposited asset like what I check. So you must trade light contract like how I have been trade light, and also I deposit perpetual, which is almost millions 730 7,000, and also you must deposit it. Let me check whether I am depositing. Yes, I am depositing like this. So you must deposit like me. I am eligible for the contest. So let me create my own coin list. For you to create, you need to click on join now. The top rank was Meta. So click on this avatar, click on this plus. So you need to add your coins there, description, then credit. Also you can add background. So check my last video. I have been created video for this. Okay, check my channels please. Okay, okay. After that, to also army, there's a new training army competition, which is you have chance to win $900 in cash and $500 in cash and $300 in cash. So army training competition is like this. Okay, it is between the time competition is between 21 1st and 3rd September. So for you to able to this, so you need to complete the KYC. User who has cumulative transaction volume to personal perpetual features exceed 1 million can participate in the ranking. So and third is to fill out the form after having it. Okay, let's first see step by step. The first one, let me check whether my KYC was approved or yet. So as long as see my KYC already being approved, but you need to put your personal information, put your necessary information and a means of identity. As soon as you have been provided, you will get your KYC. It is instantly. Okay, the second one is to check my according to activity. User who has accumulated transaction of over 1 million can participate. Let me check whether I'm eligible. Click on the volume so that you can see. So as you can see, for my USDT volume, I have already traded about 1,737,000. Okay, so I'm eligible for the participate. So as soon as that activity ended on 3 September, so I used to check so that I will click on that form and fill it out. Okay, there is a new activity for Bydfi point trading BYD point, which you can get airdrop and you will get a BYD point and you can get. So what you can mean involved is the airdrop recruiting and tax for the all event. So Bydfi provides 600 million Shiba Inu. As soon as you have been hold your own BYD point, so you will be able to enjoy the high rate. So let us see, let us check. So waiter, okay, there's activity banner here. So this is okay. Click on a banner. So the activity is like this. So reward full of 600 million Shiba Inu. Okay, and there is a for me I have been earned 207. So yeah, you need to join, guys. You need to join this activity before the end of this countdown. So after you have been joined, you need to recruit your members, so you can get your commission instantly. Like my own, so I have been invited my members, my team members, which is always helping me to get 16 BYD points. Okay, there are stuff you need to complete. Okay, you need to create a call list like what you can create. Okay, join community, put your Google Authenticator and paste ID. Okay, also there is trading competition. Also there is challenge, which is trading competition. As soon as you have been trading over 1 million, over 10,000 USDT, you will be right on fine. And there is okay. If you have been your perpetual trading volume is past 5,000, 50,000, you will get that point. Also, there is a deposit tax. As soon as you have been depositing 100 USDT and completed trading volume as is requirement, you will get 10. Depositing 10,000, you will get that also up to available. So there is place which is if you click on the center, there is place which you can swap your coins to real cash or to real coupon. Okay, like this. If you are, as soon as you have gained BYD point high, you are able to win iPhone 13 Pro Max. So there is event. Okay, this event also is a place where you can swap your own coins to later to real cash. Click on a lucky wheel. Okay, there is draw. As soon as you have been draw, let me draw. Let me draw and see. So let me draw and see. So I have been getting two coupon. Okay, so guys, don't forget recruit your teammate and take a challenge so that you will get a high. Okay, there is prediction. As soon as you have been predict for the next memo of BTC, you will get a full commission. Also, in affiliate marketing, please, guys, do your own, try your own best, and see you being involved in this activity. for the new user, there is some there is some cool welcome bonus you will be getting as soon as you have been traded. Okay, yes, let us check. Okay, as soon as you have been deposited $100, $1,000, you will get 10 USDT, and there's hot welcome bonus. Please, guys, enjoy this great welcome bonus. Thank you for watching. I hope this video help you. If this video help you, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.